Well, I think the key thing about TAB is that you are actually listening to other businesses with real-time issues. So rather than having somebody who's trying to sort of train you or advise you, you're actually working through real issues with real people and real businesses who are dealing with those issues at that time. And then, of course, what happens is you discuss those issues, you try to come up with some resolutions, and then the next time you meet, you're feeding back on how has that played out? You know, what's happened? Has it solved the problem? What issues has it thrown up? How are those problems going to be solved, or are those issues going to be addressed? So I think it's different to mentoring in the sense that you're a board, and you're helping to solve each other's problems through your own experiences. And there's nothing like dealing with people. I think, this is what appeals to me. I like to deal with people who've actually got the issues and are actually dealing with them. It's like, if you've got a tennis coach, a professional tennis coach who's got a coach who wasn't a professional tennis player, you kind of think, well, how does that work? They haven't been there. They haven't had that experience. They haven't been in that situation. But when you're dealing with businesses that are actually real, trying to survive month to month, trying to grow month to month, trying to resolve whatever issues they have, you're actually dealing with real people with real situations, and it's not theoretical, it's practical.